Hi, wanna know how to turn on and off your iPhone 16? Follow these steps. And firstly, let's turn it off. For that we have three ways. The first one is you can go in the settings. Here select general and scroll down till the end to see the shutdown option, and it will lead us to the power off menu where we can just slide to power off the phone. Now the second way, you can just simply press and hold the volume up and the side key button at the same time till you see the power off menu as well with included emergency call. And the third way, you can just trigger Siri and ask her to power off your phone. So let's do it now. For that I'm gonna press the side key to trigger Siri and ask her to power off the phone. Hey Siri, power off my phone. And here we need to confirm, so just tap the power off option or say yes. And now the phone is turned off. Just like that. So to turn it on, we would need simply press and hold the side key for a couple of seconds till you see the Apple's logo appears on the screen. And now we can release the button and simply wait till it will turn on again. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.